Welcome back to our channel. Now we are on Mathematics A&A Paper 2. Okay, so question number 1, look at the question. What is about intersect. Okay, it's x equal a and b, and then find the value of a and b. First, in A&A Paper 2, you can use the calculator, so see whether you can do it with some free will or not. Okay, here 1 minus x squared, and then 2e exponential 2x. Impossible to solve them, right? Equal. So it is graphical. So you need to draw it out, okay, by your calculator. Okay, try to draw it out. The range is 0 to -1. You got it? Yeah, it should be like this, okay. And then you need to find out the value of a and b. Okay, ask your calculator to help you. What is a and b? X coordinate. So remember, look for the x coordinate of the 2 points, okay. See if we can get it. Okay, so this point and this point. You know how to do it, okay. You know how to ask your calculator to do so. Checking time, so you got it. A equals negative 0.917. V significant, okay. If there's no, and B, okay. The next one is larger when it's 0, okay. This is the range. Now, next one is find the area of the region, of course, integration, and calculate the time again. So enclosed by the graph, so this one. Okay. But this which is f and which is g. Yes, so remember this is f and this is g. So it should be f minus g or g minus f. F is on top, right? So it should be f minus g. So you have to ask the calculator, communicate with it. Okay, from negative 0.917 to 0. And then it is f minus g. F is 1 minus x squared. And then minus g is exponential 2x. Remember the bracket, okay? Remember. And that's it, okay? You write this down, okay? Tell the marker, I know what am I doing, okay? And then calculation time, 2 marks, I think. Welcome back, okay? I think you did it also. It's about 0.2399. Okay, you can say approximately 0.24 or 0.240. It's up to you, okay? So we did it for question 1. It is very paper 2. Communication with your calculator. Good job. Okay, see you for question 2.